Altruism is not
altruism. It's a secular country. It's a secular country. Look about religion is there.
Mr. Kaushal, I am a consultant for NACO, so please don't tell me about it, okay?
Okay,
let me.
Ashok, hang on. Having said that, he's at liberty to file a case.
Right.
Absolutely. Because of a simple, he doesn't need to be a politician to file a case.
Yes.
He's at liberty to file a case. We're just trying to...
He's at liberty to file a case and put me in more danger. That's what is the liberty. The liberty is to put people like me in bigger danger.
He has a right. He has a liberty to get offended. But I want to go back 2 minutes.
No, I'm just trying to first. Can I just touch upon the specific point about now, because this point has come up again and again and again, that homosexuality should be banned, because if you don't ban it and you don't criminalize it, HIV and AIDS will spread. Can we just get what the medical position on this is once again?
It is absolutely incorrect. What you're talking about is promoting safer sex practices. You decriminalize it, people are not going to resort to furtive sex. The chances of infection spreading are going to decrease.
The same argument presumably would then work for decriminalizing prostitution.
Absolutely, absolutely. There is no doubt about that. There are countries in the world ruled by saner people who have legalized the supply of clean drugs, clean needles to addicts once they've accepted the fact that addiction...
Now we're really going pretty far. I'm not sure that we are ready to accept the decriminalization of drugs.
The best model in the world is in Sonagachi in Calcutta, where they have given the freedom to sex workers to organize and give out condoms. The HIV rate has come down.
Maulana Sahab, I want to get your sense. Again, we're coming back to the question not of morality or what is good for Samaj. It's a question of whether it should be criminal or not.
जो लोग कुदरती तौर पर एबल नहीं हैं या मेल बदन में फीमेल फीलिंग है उनके लिए कभी भी मैं तो क्या किसी सभ्य समाज ने उनके खिलाफ कुछ भी नहीं किया. उनका एक अपना स्वस्थ अलग समाज रहता है और रहेगा. अब आप एक चीज मेरी सुनिए.
आप कभी कहना है कि इसको हटा देंगे, सेक्शन 377 को हटाना चाहिए.
सिंपली चीज समझिए. मेरे भाई ने अभी बताया कि जो 377 में भी फैसला आया है वो 105 पेजेस का है, जैसा इन्होंने मुझे बताया. उसको अभी तक किसी ने पूरा नहीं पढ़ा है. बिना उस फैसले को पढ़े हुए और बिना
पढ़ा है.
जी, मैं आपसे यहाँ तो सारी बात 105 पेज की तो आपसे नहीं कर पाऊंगा. ये तो काट देंगे. अभी ये रिकॉर्ड भी कर लेंगे और बाद में ये काट देंगे. ये दिखाएंगे वही जो इनको दिखाना है. ठीक है ना?
हाँ,
ठीक है. तो अब आप उसको मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है. आपने भी मेरे ख्याल से नहीं पढ़ा है. मेरी बात
पेज तो नहीं पढ़े हैं.
बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़े हैं ना. ठीक है. तो उसको पढ़ने के बाद आप फिर बुला लीजिएगा मुझे.
नहीं,
मैं उस वक्त बता दूंगा कि क्या मेरी नीति है और क्या हिंदुस्तान से.
मौलाना जी, अभी आप ऐसे मत कीजिए. सच सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कि ये क्रिमिनल होना चाहिए.
मौलाना
देखिए, मैंने जवाब दिया है, आपने सुना नहीं. जो लोग कुदरती तौर पे मुखन्नस हैं, किन्नर हैं, हिजड़ा हैं, अब क्या क्या नाम है मेरे जहन में नहीं है भाई. तो ये सारे लोग जो हैं जो कुदरती तौर पे हैं उनको कभी गुनहगार नहीं समझना चाहिए.
मौलाना साहब ने वही
वेरी गुड.
मैं फिर से वेरी गुड. नाउ आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट देन आर द रिलीजियस लीडर्स सेइंग. If he's saying it should not be criminal behavior, you're saying it should not be criminal behavior. When we've been having these press conferences of all religious leaders coming together and speaking out against the High Court judgment, what were you opposing?
देखिए, बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. हम ऐसे समाज को बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते कि मेरा बेटा गे बने. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सुन लीजिए मेरी बात को. एक लड़का
बनता नहीं है.
आप तो कह रहे हैं ना
नहीं बनता है. ये बनता नहीं है. ये कोई ऐसी बात है कि
मैं कुदरती तौर पे जो लोग हैं उनके साथ हूं कि उनको क्रिमिनल नहीं समझना चाहिए. लेकिन अगर कोई अय्याशी के तौर पर गलत रास्तों से अपनी बात पूरी करना चाहता है और उसे हमारे समाज में घुसेड़ना चाहता है, मैं अपोज करता हूं.
Okay, so are we moving forward on this particular episode? I'm not sure how many people
I'm very grateful to Maulana that he's not considered me a criminal. कुदरती हूं मैं ऐसा.
So those who are kudrati gays are fine and should not be criminal. But I'm also trying to figure out how you're going to prove this in a court of law.
I'll tell you
I'm kudrati and I'm not.
I think this whole question of the origin of homosexuality has troubled a lot of people, and there is no clear answer on it. The reality that we have is that some people are homosexual. Most people are heterosexual. But as a country, as a secular nation that is diverse, are we going to respect our minority populations? Or are we going to say there is no place for you, get out?
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm going to take a break on that note. Let's get the audience in. Let's see what they think about this when we come back. Welcome back. through the big fight, let me get the audience in, and with, of course, the health warning that this is not necessarily a representative audience that represents all of India, I want to first do some unscientific snap polling. How many people out here hope that his petition is defeated, and in other words, homosexuality remains decriminalized? How many of you then would argue that for religious communities to be arguing on this particular issue is not the right thing to do, and there are far more important things that the religious leaders should be focusing on? How many people feel that? Okay, a smaller minority. They all agree with this. Fine. Who hopes that his petition works? You do?
The kind of intercourse which homosexuals have is not correct. Biologically, it's not correct. As far as I read on Google, there are
you don't have to read it on Google, that's fine. I mean,
just one more thing.
We don't have to read it on Google. I tell you, yes, you're right. You can't have children after that.
But he meant to say we are playing with nature. That is a student.
I am a student of 12th standard. One more thing.
Student of what? Google?
No, 12th standard I said. So I don't know about what
this is not the place to
I want to ask him very quickly.
Don't ridicule another fellow who is coming with another opinion. I find in this way.
I 100% agree with you. He is trying to ridicule anyone who is opposing this thought.
I can't have ridiculed you, haven't even spoken.
No, I'm trying to understand what you're saying. I agree with you that you can't, through homosexual sex, have children. And therefore it is not biologically natural.
Not only because of that.
But shouldn't
one
be
more
criminal.
research says that 17 out of 100 homosexuals are definitely suffering from HIV.
God gave sex to man and woman and animals for reproductive purposes, not for any other purposes. The homosexuality.
Is that really true? Come on. Is that really true?
Listen me. Homosexuality is a disease.
I want appeal.
I want an assurance from you that from now onwards, sex will only be used to have children and for no other reason. A commitment from you in your life.
God gives sex to
the rest of your life
for
is in real trouble.
purposes.
Anybody's opinion should be respected in this platform here.
Yes, I completely agree with you.
And he has a right to say what he believes.
Even if it is totally wrong.
Yes, even if it is totally wrong.
Okay, fine, the lady there.
I'd just like to say one thing. I have friends who are homosexual, lesbians, they're gays, they're bisexuals. I've spoken to them. I know they don't want to get married now, they don't want a family now, just because it is decriminalized. I think your father, I really respect you, but your point on that extramarital affairs and adultery, I think everything is going to be chucked out, just that it is going to be decriminalized. AIDS, be it family, be it adultery, everything.
Your initial question was basically whether religious leaders should come up or not. I think, as you mentioned, there are better issues which they should come up with. A lot of bad is happening in the society, not this. A lot of other issues they should come up with and come together. Then this country can be a better place to live in as compared to this.
Fantastic. Last and final comment from the lady out there.
Well, why can't we accept the fact that there can be two consensual adults, homosexual adults, in a normal, healthy relationship? Why is it such an assumption that there will be debauch acts that they will be indulging in?
Okay, fine. Okay.
If you are allowed to have a consensual sex, a homosexual should not be getting forcefully married to a lady. If there's a man who's a gay, why is he forced to get married?
All right. Point taken. Now let me get final thoughts from everybody. I'm going to start with you, Maulana Saab. Final comments.
समाज हमारा काफी कमजोर हो रहा है, इज्जत की वजन कम है, ख्वाहिश का वजन ज्यादा है, सबको तमन्ना पाने की ख्वाहिश है। हमारी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यह है कि हम धर्म को मानते हैं, धर्म की नहीं मानते हैं, देश को मानते हैं, देश की नहीं मानते हैं, समाज को मानते हैं, समाज की नहीं मानते। हमको जो अच्छा लगता है वो हम करना चाहते हैं।
Ashok, I'm sure you don't necessarily disagree with that.
No, I don't disagree. In fact, I totally support him. All I'm trying to say is that Indian culture, this civilization is not so weak that it can be destroyed by giving rights to small minorities.
Okay, fine. Father?
Don't say that the Europeans and the Americans are standing on their head, so we should stand.
Okay.
We have our own identity, our own culture, our own civilization, our own history.
Okay.
Let us debate on our own strength.
Fine. Point taken.
Most cultures, most societies, everywhere in the world, going back to the Greek civilization, maybe even before that, have had homosexuality with no problems whatsoever. It's people who belong to my profession, mental health professionals, about 100 years back, who first started talking about homosexuality and bisexuality, and that's when it became a problem. Today, there is enough and more research going on to identify a gene which governs a sexual orientation. There's a part of the brain called the hypothalamus, where the sexual impulses arise. They have found that the hypothalamic nuclei in people who are homosexuals are different from the hypothalamic nuclei in people who are heterosexual.
Okay, so you're saying
it's a biological behavior.
Sorry.
Let us not conflate religious sentiments with constitutional morality. The judgment today, based on Constitution of India, on the constitutional morality, which is the spirit of the Constitution, has declared that Section 377 be read down. And we must appreciate that. With all due respect to all religions, we are a secular country. As Indian nationals, I want to appeal to everyone to have more respect, to have more faith in the Constitution of India, and to really respect judgments like this, which are celebrating diversity.
Okay. Mr. Kaushal, you heard all the comments. Does any of this make you feel tempted to withdraw your petition?
Yes, I'll have little points because everybody has spoken. And I think people should not feel that I purposely done it. It is my duty.
Of course you purposely done it.
Yes, it appears from the, somehow, anyway, let me put it this way. जो मेरे हिसाब से बच्चों को या हमारी सोसाइटी को जो रिप्रेजेंट नहीं हो रही है, जो हेल्पलेस है इकोनॉमिकली, फाइनेंशियली, डिसीज के खतरे के लिए और समाज की इरोजन ऑफ वैल्यूज के लिए, उनके लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो मेरे लिए एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो मेरे लिए वेद की तरह है और सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो मेरे लिए ईश्वर की तरह है, वो डिसाइड करेगा और उसके साथ साथ में 100 करोड़ जो हिंदुस्तानी है वो इस पे जजमेंट देंगे. मैं कुछ नहीं कहूंगा कि क्रिमिनल है या नहीं है. योर पीपल विल डिसाइड and the court will decide that Veda constitution is like a Veda.
By that I assume you're not withdrawing your petition based on the arguments that you've just heard.
Not at all. Let the
all right, fine. So as you said, that the court decides. Don't have too much time to wait. The centre is also going to give its opinion on that in the next 11 days. We will, I suspect, be back to go on debating this and discussing this and seeing where we finally end up on this entire question. But for the moment, thank you so much for watching The Big Fight. We'll be back again.